Hello viewers, are you facing Facebook story black screen problem? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, go to settings. Now scroll down, find apps option. Now go to apps option. Now find Facebook from the app list. Now tap on Facebook. Scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar and search for Facebook. From here, update your Facebook apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Only restart your phone. After following all steps, now open Facebook and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.